Hey, welcome back to FunlishPodcast, your little corner for positivity, growth, and that kick of motivation you didn't know you needed. If you're new here, hit subscribe, because today's episode is personal, powerful, and maybe even life-changing. We're talking about rebuilding yourself. And no, not next year, not next Monday, every single day. Because if you're not focusing on you, then who is? Listen, your focus on you isn't selfish. It's survival. Life is noisy. Everybody wants a piece of you. Family, friends, bosses, social media, deadlines. And in that noise, you know who gets ignored? You. When was the last time you looked in the mirror and asked yourself, how am I really? Not your job, not your grades, not your Instagram feed. You. Sometimes we're so busy being there for everyone else that we forget to show up for ourselves. You can't pour from an empty cup. And right now, your cup deserves to be full. You're not who you were a year ago. Life changes you every single day. The question is, are you letting life rebuild you, or are you rebuilding yourself on purpose? Think of yourself like a house under renovation. Every day, you get to paint, fix, design, and upgrade. The walls might crack, the floors might get messy, but hey, it's still your house, your rules. If you don't design your life, life will design it for you, and you might not like the blueprint. Every day is a brick. Some are heavy, some are light, but together, they build you. The shift happens when you decide, my focus is on me. This isn't selfish, it's smart. When you rebuild yourself, you level up your energy. And when your energy shifts, people notice, opportunities notice, life notices. So how do you start? Do one thing daily just for you. Journal, walk, breathe, something. Protect your peace. Silence can be louder than any argument. Feed your brain, read a page, listen to a podcast, watch something that inspires you. When you glow, your world grows. The version of you that you're dreaming of? She's waiting, but she needs you to start building her now. Focus on you and watch how everything else falls into place. Rebuilding isn't always pretty. Sometimes it looks like crying at 2 a.m. Sometimes it looks like letting go of people who don't clap for you. Sometimes it looks like failing, again, before finally getting it right. But each moment is proof you're still building. Stop waiting for permission to work on you. Nobody's coming to hand you a certificate. Strong people aren't born, they're rebuilt. Every breakdown you've had was just training for your rebuild. So here's your challenge. Rebuild yourself every day. Don't wait for Monday. Don't wait for New Year. Don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is right now. Ask yourself tonight, what did I do today to rebuild me? Even if the answer is just resting, that still counts. Remember, you are a work of art under construction and your best version isn't finished yet. The world doesn't need a copy of anyone else. It needs the strongest, truest version of you. Thanks for hanging out with me here on Funlish Podcast. If this episode gave you even one spark of hope, hit that like button, share it with a friend who needs this, and subscribe for more weekly reminders to focus on you. Until next time, stay rebuilding, stay glowing, and stay you.